you can create UML component diagrams in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and the steps you take will depend on whether the diagram needs to be reused or simply displayed on one page. If you want a diagram that can be shared across multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon next to a node and select New Component Page. This adds a dedicated diagram component under that node. When the system asks for a diagram type, choose Component Diagram. The editor will open, giving you a blank canvas to map out your system's structure. From here, you can build the diagram manually by adding components, interfaces, ports, and the connections that show how they interact. You also have the option to use Create with AI to generate an initial layout. Keep in mind that generating with AI will clear anything already on the canvas. After the AI produces a draft, you can reorganize the components, adjust dependencies, and refine the relationships until the diagram represents your architecture accurately. When you're satisfied, click Save in the upper right corner, then use the left arrow to return to your page. Your component diagram is now stored as a reusable asset that you can insert anywhere in your knowledge base. To place it on a page, open that page in edit mode, choose Insert. Select Diagram and then pick Import Existing. Select your component diagram, and it will appear immediately. If you only need the diagram on a single page, you can create it directly within that page instead. Press Insert while editing the page, choose Diagrams and select Component Diagram. The editor opens just the same, and you can either build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting point. You can always fine-tune the AI-generated structure to match your system's design. When finished, save your work, close the editor, and the diagram will be placed on the page.